Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Look stand is probably one of the most versatile and innovative accessories you can add to your daily tech arsenal, designed to elevate your smartphone or tablet experience to new heights, whether you're working, streaming, or simply browsing. This isn't just another phone holder, it's a meticulously crafted piece of engineering that promises to transform how you interact with your devices, offering unparalleled stability, adjustability, and a sleek aesthetic that complements any workspace or home environment. Get ready to discover a new level of convenience and ergonomic comfort. Number 5. VASAGLE 5-tier industrial corner shelf. This versatile shelf can fit perfectly into any room. Use it in your living room, study, entryway, dining room, or bedroom to add functional style. Don't let corners go to waste. This 5-tier shelf is designed to make full use of your corner space, providing ample room for your books, decorations, and more. Setting up this shelf is a breeze. With clear instructions, labeled parts, and pre-drilled holes, you'll have it assembled in no time. Enjoy peace of mind with its stable 3-legged design, including an adjustable foot for uneven floors. It also comes with an anti-tip kit for added safety. Add a touch of industrial charm to your home. The rustic brown shelves and black metal frame create a stylish look that complements any decor. What we like. This shelf is perfect for those who want to make the most of their living space. Its clever design maximizes corner areas, and assembly is a breeze. If you're looking to add a touch of industrial charm to your home while staying organized, this is the one for you. What people say. It has 4 shelves that increase in size as you go down the unit. It is a beautiful black and brown, and the finish on the shelves is high quality. There is plenty of room on all the shelves for various size knick-knacks, books, plants, etc. The design is simple yet elegant, and the finish looks great with a variety of decor styles. They fit perfectly in corners, making use of space that might otherwise go unused. Assembly was straightforward, and the stand feels sturdy once put together. The wood shelves are of substantial weight and look really nice. The frame is very nicely finished in matte black. Everything fits together smoothly with no gapping. The fit and finish is outstanding for a piece of this price range. Number 4. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2 18-inch Ceramic Grill. Introducing the Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2. This premium 18-inch ceramic grill offers unparalleled versatility and performance for all your cooking needs. Enjoy the ideal 18-inch cooking space, complemented by a premium cart with locking casters and wheels for easy mobility and stability. Unlock your grilling potential with the revolutionary 2-tier divide and conquer system. Cook multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously, transforming your grill into a powerful cooking tool. Achieve perfect results every time with the control tower top vent. It ensures consistent airflow, allowing you to effortlessly manage temperatures from 225°F for smoking to 750°F for searing. Experience the most comfortable grilling with the air lift hinge. It dramatically reduces the dome's weight, making it easy to lift with just one finger. The advanced multi-panel firebox features a patent-pending 6-piece design. This innovative construction enhances durability and grill efficiency, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable performance. What we like. For the serious griller, this ceramic cooker offers unparalleled versatility. Its unique cooking system allows for multiple food preparations simultaneously at different temperatures. If you're passionate about smoking and searing and want the ultimate control and ease of use, this is your next grill. What people say. It does everything: grilling, smoking, baking, brick oven style. The grill had the 2-tier cooking system and came with everything it did included. The versatility of the grill is amazing, and the features on this Kamado make it easy to use for grilling, direct and indirect, and smoking. Number 3. Chiseled STDF-SK Marble Phone Stand. Introducing the Chiseled STDF-SK, an elegant and versatile phone stand crafted from white marble. It's designed to complement any space in your home or office. Place it on your desk, bedside table, kitchen counter, or even in the bathroom. This holder keeps your phone secure and accessible wherever you need it. Enjoy your content in comfort with adjustable viewing angles. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape, it provides the perfect position for watching videos or typing. Experience a unique sound amplification feature. It cleverly enhances the audio output from your device, making calls, music, and podcasts clearer and louder. This phone stand is incredibly easy to set up and use. Its lightweight and stylish design makes it a perfect companion for students and professionals alike. What we like. Elevate your phone experience with this stylish marble stand. It not only holds your phone securely but also amplifies sound for clearer calls and music. If you appreciate a blend of elegance and practicality for your desk, kitchen, or bedside, this stand is a sophisticated choice. What people say. It's very sturdy, heavy, and I think is real stone. The opening in the front was confusing to me at first, but I think it's to amplify sound when the phone is standing upright. Sturdy and amazing quality. Fits 3 different phones. So it fits most phones. I like this grips at the bottom, so makes it stable and not as easily moved. I love the elegant and simple design. Allow has an opening to amplify the audio sound. The stand is sturdy and holds my phone well with no problems. It claims to boost the volume of sounds, and yeah, it does seem to make my alarm louder. Definitely recommend this item. It is super snazzy looking and has some good weight to it, so it shouldn't topple over when holding devices. Number 2. MOOCA 4 PCS Acrylic Earring Display Stand Set. Introducing the MOOCA 4-piece acrylic earring display stand set. Enhance the presentation of your earrings with these elegant and functional stands. Crafted from premium acrylic, this set includes 4 stands of varying heights. They are designed to beautifully showcase your jewelry collection in an organized manner. Effortlessly hang and organize your earrings, keeping them neat and easily accessible. Say goodbye to tangled jewelry and hello to a stylish display. Perfect for countertops, storefronts, and showcases, these stylish stands add a touch of sophistication. They ensure your earrings are displayed in a visually appealing way. Made from durable acrylic, these stands offer both longevity and style. Their sleek design complements any jewelry collection. This is an official MOOCA product, ensuring quality and design. Please note that accessories are not included with the display stands. What we like. Showcase your jewelry collection with this set of acrylic stands. They are designed to keep your earrings neat, accessible, and beautifully displayed. If you're a jewelry enthusiast or a seller looking for an elegant way to present your earrings, this set offers both organization and style. What people say. These are great display stands. I use them on my jewelry shelf in my closet. Sturdy. They turn over easily once the earrings are on the stands. The variety of heights is nice for groupings and they assembled super easily. Number 1. Nulaxy Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. Get a pack of 2. Now you can have a perfect stand ready for your device, whether you're working at home or on the go. Customize your viewing experience with adjustable height and angle. Find the perfect position for optimal viewing comfort. It's completely foldable and lightweight. Slip it in your bag or pocket and take it anywhere with ease, perfect for your desk or travel. Designed with a convenient charging slot. You can power up your device without removing it from the stand. It effortlessly supports most smart devices from 4 to 8 inches. Whether it's your phone or another smart device, this holder has you covered. What we like. Get double the convenience with this pack of 2 phone stands. They offer versatile adjustability for optimal viewing and fold up compactly for easy portability. If you need reliable phone support at home, in the office, or while traveling, these stands are an excellent and practical solution. What people say. Very sturdy and does not take space. Holds my phone, iPad so well. It's made out of metal so is sturdy and has a flat base which offers good stability. It folds flat for putting in handbag etc. and opens up via 2 hinges to form a compact stand which allows any viewing angle from 0 to 90 degrees from the horizontal. It also has enough clearance at the bottom to allow charging and/or headphone cable to be connected at the same time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.